Here's how to create insane camera shakes for music videos, even if you have zero experience. First, go to your media library, click on the new item icon. We're going to create a new adjustment layer. It can just be the composition size. We're going to trim this down to about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames, and we're going to cut it and delete it. So make sure one other important thing is your sequence setting has to be at 24 frames per second. So you can go to sequence and sequence settings, and then just make sure it's set to 23.976 or 24 frames per second. I forget the real reason why it's 23.976. I think it's like a cinematic Hollywood rule. Anyways, we're gonna go to our effects and we're gonna search for the transform effect. We're gonna apply the transform effect to our adjustment layer like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go to the very beginning of our adjustment layer. We're gonna hit a keyframe at scale, position, and rotation. We're gonna go to the very end, and we're going to make sure we copy these exact same keyframes and we're going to paste them and make sure we drag them to the very end like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very middle, right where it cuts in between our two clips, and we are just going to zoom in a crap ton. So we're gonna zoom in like this, and what this is basically doing is it's giving us some movement. So it's creating a zoom in animation, and then now it zooms out. Very basic, but now what we're gonna do to spice this up is we're going to add some rotation in the middle. We're going to rotate it, and you can do this however you want. There's no specific way you have to rotate it. Mess around with it, have fun. I'm gonna do it as much as I can rotate it as possible before I get black edges. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm literally gonna go 2 frames by 2 frames, and I'm just gonna mess around and do the exact reverse. So I'm gonna change this to negative rotation, and then I'm gonna maybe move the position a bit, and I might even scale it in a little bit more and just move it around. And the point of this is to move it around to random positions. So that way, when you play it out, the camera shake is just going crazy. So even when it's trying to zoom out, you might want to zoom it in a little bit and then just move it around. Now when we play it out, we have this really crazy jittery effect. But the key to giving this the camera shake feel and look is unchecking use composition shutter angle and then setting the shutter angle to 360. And once you click that, boom, we have all this crazy motion blur and it looks really crazy. And just like that, we created a really sick camera shake. If you want to spice it up even more, you can go back to your effects. You can search for a lumetri color, apply the lumetri color, and then go to your effects, and we're just going to change the exposure to really high in the middle. So we're gonna hit a keyframe, and then we're gonna set that to like maybe 1 or 1.8, and then we're gonna go to the very beginning and we're gonna change it back to 0 like that. And we're just gonna copy this by hitting Command C and then going to the very end and pasting it. So then that way there's like a flash effect as well. And boom, that's looking pretty crazy. Now, as you saw, that took a lot of time. So one other alternative way is you can actually use the auto edit music video plugin, which is built for Premiere Pro. So we just went to Windows, extensions, and we click auto edit. I'm gonna click on the VFX tab, and then I'm just going to click to the camera shake mode. And I can literally just apply any type of camera shake I want by just clicking one button, and boom, just like that, we have another crazy camera shake going on. This one has some inverts. I believe there's around like 20 plus different variations in here. So I'm just clicking apply, and as you can see, we're getting instant camera shakes going on. Yeah, this is looking crazy. It's super easy to use, and of course it also comes with the built-in auto edit automatic music video editing feature. So if you want to learn more about the plugin and how to use it, you can click on this video right here.